Hello and welcome to Hitch Up and Tow. Today we come to the caravan to replace a broken, I can't even think what it's called. Start again. Hello and welcome to Hitch Up and Tow. Today I've come down to the caravan to replace a broken blown air vent. Picked up one off eBay, which is here, with a little butterfly in the middle. I don't know if you can see from here, but the one down here, the butterfly is missing. As you can see, the back of the vent has a screw going through the pipe, holding that in, having a feel around. That's the only one I can feel. So, Phillips screwdriver. And that's the screw out. Hopefully this will pull out. Yeah, there we go. And I think this needs to undo the thread. Bit difficult, can't hold the camera and hold both ends at the same time. So I'll pass the camera back and hold here. And there we go. All it does is unscrew. There's the back section. The broken section with no butterfly. Let's see if we can get this section in. That section's in. It's quite tight trying to get it. That looks tight to me. Now, have a look back behind. We can put the hose back in, line up the holes. Just notice this is a self-tapping screw, or self-cutting. Screw that back in. Job complete. Very easy fix. Happy with that.